Okay, if you have been watched my previous video, you maybe learn about a sort formula. There's like sort formula, we are selecting a data first, then comma, the sort index. Like I would like to sort a department means one, sorting a name means the second column. If it is a average means it is like a sixth column like that. We have to just write a column index number. Then we used to write a ascending or a descending order. Okay, so it will be sort means ascending means A to Z, descending means Z to A. But here there is a problem. You can see it's sorted by the department, but it is not sorted by the name here. Name you can see the in BBA there are two students are there. Ram coming first, then it is the Arun because we haven't sorted a name here. It will be shuffled only. So how to sort if it is a multiple columns to be sorted means the sort formula will not be useful that particular time. We have to use a sort by formula. This sort by formula will be helpful to sort the multiple columns. Again, the flow will be same. First we have to select array. Array is nothing but a data, complete data you have to select, comma. Then it is asking like by array 1 means which column you like to sort first. I just say department I would like to sort first, so I select a department first, comma. It's asking a order like is it ascending or a descending. Like ascending means like A to Z. Descending means Z to A because it's the alphabet. If it is a number column means ascending means smallest to largest, descending means largest to smallest. So I will go for first with ascending. So 1, comma. Now it is asking a second column, which is the second column. I just go to the second column is nothing but a name column, comma. It's asking a order means again it's asking which order you like to do it for the second column. I just say one only, ascending order. Then I will close the bracket because only two columns I would like to sort now. Enter. You can see now the changes to the previous one. In sort it was just a one column, but here there is a two column. Like in a BBA, Arun and Ram has been sorted like A to Z. In BCA again, Kumar and Ramesh. In BCom again, you can see Raj, Raju, Sarala, like that. Means instead of going with a shuffled with the second column, it will also get arranged with the second column. Like in case you like to reverse the order, you can just change to the -1 here so that you can check. Now the first it will come the MBA because in department M come first, then B comes. That's why like BCom again Raju sir, like Sarala, it will be arranged in A to Z order only because I haven't changed here to the -1. If I change this one to the -1, the Sarala will come first. You can see in BCom Sarala will come first. The reverse order like Arjun will come later like that. Okay, so this is how sort by function will work. Like a sort by, basically sort by will be used for a multiple column to be sorted. If single column to be sorted, we can just use a sort function. If a multiple column to be sorted, sort by function. You can check once again. The same thing it is applicable in case you are sorting a table means you have to mention the table name instead of selecting a data. Like you can convert your data into table, select Control T and just change the OK. Then you can go to table design. You can change to the table name like I just say uh, department, enter. Then I can just say here, I just delete this one again. I'll just show you that sort by. First we have to name the table, that is a department, comma. Now it's asking which column in a department you like to sort. I just say department, in that open the square bracket to select a column. Which column? Department column. So I select that department column. You can see now department column has been selected. Then close the square bracket, comma. Now ascending order means 1, comma. Now it is asking that second column. Which is the second column? I would like to select a name. So I will not select from the data. I'm nothing I'm doing from the data. I'm just typing here. Name of the table is a department, square bracket. The second column, name column, you can double click on that name, then close the square bracket, comma. Then I would like to arrange in a ascending order. So 1, close the bracket, enter, it will be sorted. So the advantage, you already know that, like if you are converted into table, if you have been done some changes in your table like adding, deleting any of the entries also, automatically it will get updated with your sort table also. So sort by will be used whenever there is a multiple column to be sorted at a time. For If you like to watch more and more advanced formula in Excel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you, one and all.